So you might be trying to figure out how you can charge your Apple Pencil Pro. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. Now, the way to charge it is usually by using your iPad. There's really no other way to use this particular, there's no other way to charge it besides using it on your iPad. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go and open up your particular iPad just like this, and you want to find where the volume buttons are of your iPad. So if you take a close look to the top portion of your iPad right here, you'll see that there's a portion where your volume buttons are. Now, the flat side of where your volume buttons are, there's also this little indent right here, right in the middle. This is basically an accessory option which allows you to go and charge up your Apple Pencil straight from the side of your particular Apple Pencil. So what you can do is you can, on the flat side of your Apple Pencil where it says Apple Pencil Pro right there, what you want to do is you want to go and basically hold this to the side right there in the center of it, and you should be able to see that the Apple Pencil should automatically start charging from your particular iPad, and vice versa. So you can see it's connected right there, and that's really it. Now, if you find that little battery widget that you have, you should be able to see that the iPad discovers that particular battery, the Apple Pencil, and then all you're going to have to do here is basically just let it sit there, charge up for a while. Whenever you're ready, you can go and disconnect it from the top, and then you can go through and just use this as you normally would. So that's basically how it works. It's a pretty basic process for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.